Uttam, I was analyzing the UPSC PYQ of prelims and mains, and I find out a conclusion that UPSC is not more general now. The general study is not more general.
I was talking to multiple students, and they are facing various issues in prelims, like they do not have a concrete planning.
Yes.
They do not have a consolidated notes. They cannot apply proper knowledge in exam.
Even for the mains also, like I found, they are having a fear of answer writing. Most of them are not able even to understand the demand of the questions. When I ask about the analyze the paper, they are just reading the question. That's the analysis for them. Even when it's about the enriching your answer, the example and the case study, they are not having that content. I think there is a mismatch between the preparation and the traditional coaching.
Yes, I agree with you. So, हम Edukemy में अलग क्या कर रहे हैं?
In Edukemy, we planned a program that's the GS integrated course. Integration means it's not like a foundational course, but we are providing an extra course like the advanced course as well. This advanced course will target your prelims preparation as well as the mains preparation with enriching you with the basic content under the foundation.
So what we are doing is analyzing PYQ firstly, and then we are focusing on practice tests, and then at last we are focusing on sectional tests that will cover whole subject in a week.
I like the concept of the practice tests that's introduced by the Edukemy. The practice tests, we are providing your answers with the questions. You people will learn the answer and write the answer in the test hole. This concept was introduced for those who have fear in the answer writing, those who are having the lack in the content, so they have no excuse to write. So I like this concept.
I think it's a good and novel approach.
Yeah.
And along with that, we are providing mentorship support. It will be a very much targeted and curated approach.
Even for the prelims, the Edukemy is following a different approach. We are not following the traditional approach. Setting of any of the paper of the Edukemy is completely based on the analysis of the PYQ. Even in the last test series of the Edukemy, we specifically focus on the PYQ and the hit rate was very high in the UPSC.
I agree with that, Devendra.
Yeah, so this is a different approach we are following. We are starting our GS integrated course which included the foundation plus advanced.
और डिटेल जानने के लिए हमारी वर्कशॉप पे आइए जो कि 29 जुलाई 8:30 AM को हो रहा है. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेगा.